Part 2 of wildlife in Harefield. I think it's actually wildlife though. It's the woods. It's nice. Peaceful. I can place the audio as well. On YouTube I can place the audio. Do it for like some soft music or whatever.
Oh right. Yeah.
Oh, that sun's bright. Blinding my camera. My mum saw a deer down here once. Or twice. Twice, yeah, she saw a deer.
You did get run out in the middle of the road.
She seen them twice, down here. Once with my nan, I think. And once when I was up here. I was looking the opposite way and it ran.
Yeah,
Would be nice if we'd see one today, wouldn't it? Don't know what's happening there. Don't know who did that over there. Messed it all up. Cleared it up, sort of thing. I think point this more down. Ah, the sun is well bright. Especially on the camera. This bit's a bit slippery. Here we are, the part I wanted to show you. The pond down there. If you can see it. Right there. Like a lake sort of thing, pond. Yeah, you can see the water down there, I think. I could get closer. Try and get closer. Should I go try and get closer? Not from here, obviously. Alright, come on in. What? Oh yeah, more graffiti. If you can see that, yeah, just about.
I think I recognise these Aaron Smith.
What's up there as well?
It's great.
ASKSBW was here. A lot of people was here.
Oh,
they don't write their name on it, do they? Skull. That's kids, that is, drawing them skulls and stuff.
It wouldn't be adults, would it, Steve? Come on.
Let's get away from the graffiti. Oh yeah. Wow. What a pathetic dickhead did that. Got down some steps now. Ooh. Used to be able to jump that down there. I ain't jumping it in this way. It's all wet still. Let's lay down to the pond a bit. This way. I'll get these bits in. It's a pain in the arse because the fucking tree's falling down, hasn't it? I don't want to fall in there. I'm not a very good swimmer, I won't be able to swim in that. I'm holding on to a twig. Oh, crap. Oh! It's not like they weren't already broken, was it?
Cut down on your own, bro, isn't it?
I ain't fat, you know. I don't think I'm getting any closer than this. All them falling down trees in there. You can't get any closer than this. It used to be more open than this. Excuse. That's the bit where we used to get over. Oh, my hand's frozen again. Yeah, we've got another 10 minutes at least of it. But, right here. Nice little jump. You gonna jump that?
Yes.
Go on then, jump it. Oh!
I've never done a run off this police.
And I ain't no good at jumping.
You have to be good at jumping.
Jump.
From that side to the other.
I'll fall in, you moron.
Rocket phone.
I don't even know what the point of that is.
Walk over it to what?
What, walk over this?
You might just break it.
Hold on.
You are a big lad.
Yeah, David, I am a really big lad, ain't I?
Yeah.
I ain't jumping over it. I'll jump over it. Yeah, I'll come over. I'll climb over a more easier way.
Oh, poor Stephen.
Ha! This way's easier, fool. Sort of. Did you have a nice trip, David? I think it was just up there. Up there. I think it was where my mum said it. I'm not entirely sure. 'Cause I think I went running up there after it.